That glowing cursor that appears on your LG TV screen can be helpful at times, but distracting when it won't go away. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn the LG Magic Remote Pointer on or off, step by step. You'll also learn quick ways to fix it if the pointer stops working or keeps showing up on its own. Let's start with how to turn off the pointer temporarily. If the pointer is showing on your LG TV screen, just press any of the arrow keys on your Magic Remote. Up, down, left, or right. The moment you press one of these buttons, the pointer will disappear from the screen and you can keep navigating using the arrow keys instead. If you move the remote or scroll the wheel, the pointer will show up again automatically. To bring it back when it's hidden, you don't need to open any settings. Simply move the remote slightly or scroll the wheel up or down once, and the pointer will appear on your screen right away. Next, here's how to disable the pointer more permanently if you don't want it to keep showing up. Hold down the home and back buttons on your remote at the same time for a few seconds. Keep holding them until you see a message on your TV that says "Remote disconnected." When this happens, the remote's Bluetooth connection is turned off, and the pointer feature will be disabled. If you want to reconnect the remote later, hold the home and back buttons together again or press the wheel OK button once. This will re-register your remote and bring the pointer back. Now let's move on to troubleshooting. If the pointer doesn't appear when you expect it to, first check your remote's batteries. Weak batteries can cause the pointer to stop working. Replace them with new ones if needed. If the pointer still doesn't appear, repair your remote with the TV. Hold the home and back buttons for a few seconds until the remote disconnects. Then press the wheel OK button to reconnect it. If the pointer shows up too often and it's bothering you, go to your TV's settings and reduce the pointer sensitivity. You'll find this option under Settings, then Pointer Options. Lowering the sensitivity will make it appear less easily. You can also use the arrow keys more instead of moving the remote too much. That way, the pointer won't activate as often. That's it for this video on how to turn the pointer on and off on your LG Magic Remote. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you control the pointer easily and fix any issues you were facing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Have any questions or did this method work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.